Once you've logged into your content management website, the first thing to do before you actually create any content is to think about the structure of the site. What you'll need are categories and sections. First, create your sections. These are the top level in the hierarchy of order. Your sections may include types of product or market sectors. Give them appropriate names. And titles. At this stage, don't bother about creating an image to represent each section. You can come back and do that later. Likewise, description can be added later as well. Save the market sector, which is our new section. You can go on to create additional ones, such as vertical markets, horizontal markets. But for the sake of this demonstration, we're going to go on now. To create some categories. So a new category for a vertical market, or a market sector in this case, might be, given this is a demonstration umbrella site, might be golf umbrellas. Again, at this stage, there's no need to actually select an image. Later on you can upload an appropriate image for the golf umbrella section, and in fact put it a suitable description. But at this stage that's not necessary. Again, we'll save this one. Create a new one. Garden parasols. And so on. At any time, if you don't want to have existing categories or want to remove them, then simply select them on the category name list and press unpublish. This will remove them from the original website and will simply leave the categories that you've now selected. Let's go back now to the home page and create some new content. Here we're going to create some content relating to full-size golf umbrellas. Put this into market sectors and into the appropriate section there. In this section we would normally put the text. You can see you have a full text editor here. Do all sorts of things. So in this case perhaps we'd put a bold heading. Maybe a list of interesting things here. the editing system keeps the whole system completely consistent in pattern. You can decide who's created it, and if you want, you can hold off publication of the work simply by pressing the Start Publication button. You can decide when the work is going to be published initially and when it disappears from the website. If you want the article to be a short article, followed by a longer main article, which is only accessed when someone clicks a link. Here I'm simulating a longer main article. Then you simply put the longer main article into the second box. We're going to come back later to look at how to put images into the articles, but for the while you save the work by pressing Apply, or save it temporarily. Or you can save it and leave it by pressing Save. Don't navigate away from the section using the back key or changing the URL whilst you're editing, because that will cause you problems. Okay, now let's see how this comes up in the original site. Okay, we've got the latest news and the popular articles. Popular because it's the only one there is. So you've got the whole article there. And it's one of the latest things we've added to the site as well. It's automatically turned into a PDF as well, so that it's a full printable version of the article. In the next lessons we're going to look at how to put these onto the front page, how to have menus which get to these different sections, how to add graphics, and a number of other things.